Have you ever wondered if there's a deeper order to the universe? The 12 universal laws are a set of spiritual and metaphysical principles that suggest everything in existence is governed by energy and order. By understanding and aligning with these laws, you can profoundly shape your personal reality and accelerate your spiritual growth. In this video, we'll explore each law, uncovering how they influence your life and the world around you. Let's begin our journey into the foundational truths that connect us all and discover how these ancient principles can empower your everyday experience. Law of divine oneness is the cornerstone of all universal laws. It teaches that everything in the universe is interconnected. Every thought, action, and event ripples out and affects the whole. Imagine that we are all made from the same source of energy, and what you do or think impacts not just yourself but the entire universe. This law encourages compassion, empathy, and a sense of unity with all beings. When you recognize this oneness, you begin to see yourself as part of a much larger tapestry, inspiring you to act with greater kindness and awareness. Next is the law of vibration, which states that everything in the universe is in constant motion, vibrating at its own unique frequency. This includes not just physical objects but also your thoughts and emotions. To manifest a particular outcome, you need to align your own vibration with that of your desire. For example, if you want to attract positivity, you must first cultivate positive thoughts and feelings. This law reminds us that we are energetic beings, and our inner state directly influences the reality we experience. Law of correspondence is often summed up by the phrase, as above so below, as below so above. This principle suggests that the patterns in your external world are a direct reflection of your inner spiritual state. If you notice chaos or harmony around you, it's likely mirroring what's happening within. By working on your inner world, your beliefs, emotions, and mindset, you can transform your outer reality. This law empowers you to take responsibility for your life, knowing that true change starts from within. Law of attraction is perhaps the most well-known, like attracts like. By focusing your energy and attention on positive or negative thoughts, you draw similar experiences and people into your life. But attraction alone isn't enough. The law of inspired action reminds us that we must take deliberate, meaningful steps toward our goals. It's the bridge between intention and reality. When you combine focused thought with inspired action, you unlock the true power of manifestation and bring your dreams into the physical world. Law of perpetual transmutation of energy teaches that energy is always moving and changing form. Higher, positive vibrations can transform and elevate lower, negative energies. For instance, you can turn anger into motivation or sadness into creativity by consciously shifting your energy. This law empowers you to actively shape your emotional state and circumstances, reminding you that nothing is ever truly stuck. Change is always possible when you raise your vibration. Law of cause and effect, often known as karma, tells us that every action has a predictable reaction. What you put out into the world, whether positive or negative, will eventually return to you. Closely related is the law of compensation, which assures that your efforts and positive contributions are always rewarded, whether through blessings, abundance, or energy. These laws encourage you to act with integrity and generosity, knowing that the universe responds in kind to your action. Law of relativity teaches that nothing is inherently good or bad until it's compared to something else. This perspective helps you appreciate your own journey and maintain a balanced mindset. The law of polarity reminds us that everything has an opposite, hot and cold, light and dark. These are simply two extremes of the same thing, and understanding this allows you to transform challenges into opportunities. Together, these laws help you find balance and growth in every situation. Law of rhythm explains that everything in the universe moves in cycles, patterns, and rhythms, just like the changing seasons or the ebb and flow of tides. Life naturally has highs and lows, and by understanding this law, you can remain emotionally balanced through both good times and challenges. Embracing the rhythm of life helps you move with the flow rather than resist it, making it easier to navigate change and uncertainty with grace. Finally, the law of gender teaches that everything contains both masculine and feminine energies, action and logic, intuition and nurturing. True spiritual balance and creation require a harmonious integration of both aspects within yourself. By embracing all parts of your nature, you unlock your full creative potential. As we conclude, remember that these 12 universal laws are always at work, shaping your reality. Aligning with them can lead to profound personal transformation and a deeper sense of unity with the universe.